Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we have a table which shows a summary of 1,200 responses to a survey question, and based on the table, we're asked how many of those surveyed get most of their medical information from either a doctor or the internet. So we're told that the doctor accounts for 63% of those surveyed, and the internet is 13%. So combined, so the people from either a doctor or the internet would be 63% plus 13%. You add the two together, 63 plus 13 is 76%. And this is out of 1,200 responses, so we're taking 76% of 1,200. Well, what does 76% mean? Well, a percent is just a number out of 100. So you have 76 out of 100 times 1,200, which is our total. And just simplifying this a little bit, you have 76 times 1,200 is 12 times 100 over 100. The reason I split up 1,200 into 12 times 100 is because then these 100s cancel out. We get 76 times 12, which if you calculate it out is 912. So out of the 1,200 responses, 912 or 76% get their medical information from either a doctor or the internet, which is going to line up with C is your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.